So self-regulation depends on being regulated. And here's when we talk about behavior in schools. What can we do to help these kids out? They can't self-regulate until someone regulates them. How do you do that? It is absolutely important and essential that we give kids jobs to do. That when you come in, and I've got a couple of examples here, if that coat and backpack rack is not neat in your classroom, then that class doesn't start. Kids get up and they neaten that and they put it together. Make sure it's intact. Everything's where it's supposed to be in that coat rack. That's a great place to start. We shouldn't let that go. In the cafeteria, kids should be cleaning up after themselves. You pick up the tables, you wipe the tables, you clean up the garbage. They gotta have jobs to do. So many of our kids coming out of traumatic households don't have any jobs, they don't have any responsibility, therefore they don't have any reason for being. So giving them some clear expectations and responsibilities in our schools is one of the best things we can do. Having these job helpers, having things happen. If the bookshelf is dismantled, then you're the job helper. You've got to do it. But making that priority, don't let the boots and mittens and all that all over the place in the classroom. Make them clean it up. That is their responsibility.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.